Grekkon Limited are happy to let you know that we have a new branch in Mombasa County. The office is located along the Jomo Kenyatta Avenue at the Lebanon stage opposite the Mombasa Pentecostal Church. The products that we offer include irrigation systems. This includes drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, rainhouse irrigation, HDP pipes and fittings, PVC pipes and fittings, and delivery pipes. Why you keeping me waiting? We also construct greenhouses. We supply and install dam liners. We sell water pumps, and this includes the solar water pumps, diesel water pumps, petrol water pumps, and electric water pumps. We also sell the agricultural nets. This includes the shade nets, the bird nets, and the insect nets. We deal in borehole drilling. We sell seedling trays of various sizes. We construct the solar dryers in various sizes, and we also sell cocoa pits. You can reach us via 011-4494-500. Karibu Grekkon Limited, where we irrigate your farm to life.